Hey guys, so I am at the Saloma Bridge. Saloma. This is the bridge that connects from Kapang Baru to the Twin Towers right over here. You see that bridge right there? And this is actually where I'm going to be filming tonight. Right through here. They have a big food street. This area right here, just like a little small street food area, that's going to be open later on tonight, so hopefully I can film that. There's the KL Tower there. I took mom and dad there a few years ago, and then the Petronas Tower there. I took mom and dad there a long time ago. You can see like all the skyscrapers actually on the other side, but on this side is more less developed. No skyscrapers. Community here, they've been fighting for that. They don't want skyscrapers to take over their village, so all of that you see here down there, it's an actual village. That's Kapung Baru. You can see where this is under the bridge here. Let's go up here. This guy's sliding down. Check this out. Here's a better view of the village. So I'm going to be walking down that street and then going to the left somewhere. Oh, this is their local drink here. It's like a Gatorade. Through the Saloma Bridge. I'm using my Insta 360 right now. See? Look over here. Before they didn't have this bridge, and so you had to take the highway and go past the area and then go back. So, alright, let's go. Let's do this. Go through this bridge. Cute. I'm going to film later also around nighttime, because this thing has lights. Okay, so you can see the highway, and then there's actually a river there too. I'm not sure what the name of the river is. Cool, huh guys? This is the Saloma Bridge. Wow. Can't wait to see it all lit up tonight, especially with the Twin Towers, the Petronas Twin Towers up there in the background. See the people with the orange vests. We're doing like a city bike ride. Oh, check this out, guys. There's a cemetery right here. Huge cemetery. That's all tombstones. Wow. That's crazy. There's the Petronas. All right, here, see? Saloma Bridge. It only took like less than a minute, and then here's the graveyard. So this bridge is what separates the developed area to the less developed area over there. Wow, look at this, guys. That is so cool, huh? Let's see if we can get a better look over here. Alright, so here's a better look at the river and the interstate highway. Alright, let's see. Look at that. That's cool, huh? Petronas Towers. Okay guys, that's where that was the bridge that we were just on, so we're gonna walk towards the check out the village. Just a quick walk. Oh, they have a Coffee Saigon right there. It's an older house. So you don't really see houses like this anymore here in Kuala Lumpur. Everyone's living in like condos, mansions. But so these are the last of the original Thai, not Thai homes, but Malaysian homes. Here's a pretty cool one right here. So you can see that they were kind of built above level, I guess because of flooding. So you can see this is the house, and then it's surrounded by the skyscrapers. And here's another house. I've seen some videos of other vloggers vlogging here, but I never really see people walking around here. I just wanted to show you guys how the village homes here look. Right in the middle of KL, Kuala Lumpur. Oh, look at this one. This is a nice one. Looks like no one's living here though. That's kind of cool though, huh guys? So all wooden stilts. Maybe it used to flood here. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain. So this is the night market where I'm going to start filming later on tonight. So it's a little early. I'm going to start filming around 7. I think the rain might hinder the crowd from coming tonight, which is going to suck. So even through here they have some of the village homes. I think this whole area used to be all of the old-fashioned homes, and then they kind of turned it into, look at that small one there. I don't know if you can see it because I'm using my Insta360, but you see a really small home there. But so look, look at this house, guys. Look at this old house. There's a main entrance there too, but I'm gonna actually start somewhere else. But that's the main entrance of the village here. I just finished my walk, guys, and I walked all the way to the Petronas Towers. Gonna go right back to that tunnel so I can show you guys how it looks at night. So this is pretty much a KL city center area. So I'm gonna go to back to that street food market where I filmed, which I was kind of disappointing because there wasn't very many people there, but it was raining too, so that's where we're headed.
Hello, bây giờ.
Here it is, guys. This is how it looks at night. there's a highway down right below it, and it's really cool because it changes colors when you stop here. So clear up a little bit. So let me go closer over here. All right, here you go. Yeah, I see it. So let's go through it. It's probably gonna be really dark though. Oh, and then it's right by the Twin Towers, Petronas. So let's go in. Go in through the tunnel. Probably doesn't look good with my Insta360 camera, but I just finished filming, so I don't feel like using my iPhone right now, but look at it. Let me see if you guys can see me. Can you guys see me? Probably really dark. This is probably the coolest footbridge. This is probably the coolest footbridge that I've ever been on. But, okay guys, I just finished filming, so I'm gonna go right through that food market and then go home. I am tired.